Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook group chat. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will open up your messenger application. Then tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Group Chat option. In the search bar, type in the name of the person that you want to add in the group and select them. You can create a group name. Once you're done, tap on the Create button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can create Facebook group chat. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.